This video is to show and capture details while I troubleshoot this cooling issue a little bit more. Vehicle won't pass that second big peg, puts it about 180. Prior to my cooling issues, it ran at that third big peg at around 210. This was in 100-degree Texas weather, and also out here in Southern California with 70-80 degree weather. After I did the radiator swap, I did also change the thermostat. I burped the system by running it at 1 on all the fans at max just for a little while. But I just cannot, no matter what I do, I can't pass that second peg for 180. Not sure if I haven't changed this temperature sensor, but one of the bigger questions I had, come around to the engine bay, is should I see flow from this tank right here, especially while it's cold. Fluid level in the overflow tank stays about the same no matter what. It's bubbling a little bit, but right now it's filled with water and a little bit of water wetter, but that's about all the details right there.